Tutorial about PowerPoint. In PowerPoint, you can select any theme that you want. The ribbon menu is found across many of Microsoft apps such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It lives above the main area of application. The ribbon contains a series of tabs that you can switch between. Each of these have a unique set of tools to work with your presentation. Differently, when you switch tabs on the ribbon, you see new buttons and options to change your presentation. File. In File, save, share, and export your presentation. The next is Home, a general-purpose collection of the most common tools that you use in PowerPoint. In Home tab, this has a lot of tools that you need. Adding a new slide, to change text and paragraph settings. The Home tab is the default for most users. Insert, all-in-one tool to add any type of content such as tables, pictures, charts, video, and more. The Insert tab has every possible tool to add new content to a slide. Choose one of these type of objects to add it to the slide. In Design, it controls the look and feel of your presentation with theme and style settings. The Design tab. We use themes and styles in PowerPoint to add visual appeal to the presentation, and the Design tab really controls these settings. Transitions. Add animation when you switch slides. Animations control the order and style the object will enter or exit your slide. In Slideshow, it controls settings related to the way your presentation appears when sharing it with an audience. Review tab. This tab provides command and found the reviewing toolbar, comments toolbar, and protection toolbar and tools menu. View. It changed the view to get a different perspective on your content. Lastly is Help tab. You can also get help information. After you're done doing your PowerPoint, you can save as, download as a copy, download as PDF, download as ODP, and download as image. How to add slides. Think of slides as the individual units in your presentation that you can fill with content. To insert a new slide, go to the Insert tab on PowerPoint ribbon. Then, click on the New Slide button to add a new slide to your presentation. Each of the thumbnails that you see on the sidebar represent a slide. Then, you add content to each slide. Next is how to add content. Content is what defines each slide. PowerPoint accommodates a wide range of content like text, tables, charts, and more. The easiest way to add content is to start off by choosing a layout, which you can use from the Home tab. These layouts have content boxes that are easy to add your own content to. Simply choose a layout and then start adding your content. And the last is how to choose a theme and style. After you build out your presentation content, think about adding visual style. For this, you jump over to the Design tab and click on one of the thumbnails for a theme. Using a PowerPoint theme is the preferred alternative to adding backgrounds, color, and styles to each slide. Changing the theme typically will adjust the entire presentation. In PowerPoint, you can add your own text. The PowerPoint basics include text and image. Adding custom text is one of the easiest and most common edits to make. Pre-built layout include text box already arranged on the slide. To add your own words highlights the content of any text box, then simply start typing. The second one is add image. Identify them by finding the image icons on a given slide. Jump to where images are stored on your computer. You can copy the image and paste in PowerPoint. Next is change object colors. Changing theme color is a fast way to adjust the visual look of your slides. For example, change object color to add a bit of contrast. To get started, click on the chart section to select it. On the Format tab, click on the Shape Fill drop-down. You see a color chooser from which you can apply any color imaginable. And lastly is Customize Fonts. Highlight a block of text, then go up to the Font section of the Home tab. You see drop-downs to change the font style, size, and color. After that, add quick effects like bold letter, italics, and more. And that's it. That's how to use PowerPoint.